Hey everyone, I hope everyone is safe and well from the past storm that we just had, and hopefully everyone has their power back. I just wanted to share a story with you guys of why I got involved with Color Street. So, here we go. Before Corona and before all the lockdown, I used to get my nails done regularly, every 2 weeks at the salon. My nails would be so soft and brittle and weak. When I was going to sit at a salon in a chair for more than an hour, they would just become blah. But once COVID hit and the lockdown started, we all know how the nail salons were the last thing on our mind. But then I got introduced to these do-at-home nail strips that were made out of real nail polish. And at first, I thought, oh, why not? Who cares how they come out? We're home, right? Well, once I tried them, I truly fell in love with them. The color schemes and styles they offer are amazing, and they actually lasted. They didn't chip, they don't smell the house like when you're applying regular nail polish. It just stinks up the entire house. And the harsh chemicals is just disgusting. Who wants to smell that? Not me. I'm sure you guys don't want to either. And the best part is they don't make a mess. And they are so simple to apply. Easy. When I mean simple, you could, even if you mess up, you can take it off and you can put it back on, reposition it. It's so easy. And so blown away by how durable they are and how long they last. That's why I decided to become a stylist and put my name behind the product that I actually love and I stand by. And I am so happy that I'm a Color Street stylist. Thank you for watching, and there will be more videos to come. Bye guys, have a good night.